Hi guys, John Chevalier here, and I just got back from the post office, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I bought a new drum. It's called a Walkabout. Walkabout, it's a little bit like a cajon. You play it like a cajon, only you wear it on your body. And it's also, you can plug it in. It's electric. And I think it's the first percussion instrument that you can actually plug in, so I'm really looking forward to playing with it. So let's get going. Okay, get our trusty razor blade. And we want to be really, really careful when we're using a razor blade. Don't want to get blood on our drum. Okay, open it up. And we have some packing and a box in a box. Okay, get rid of that. And now we want to be really careful that we don't hurt the product that we purchased. So we want to be real careful. Kind of pick this up. Okay, there we go. There it is. It says Walkabout Rhythm for the Journey. It's wrapped in plastic. We'll go ahead and let's get rid of that box. And we have a little inspected by here. That's actually for the plastic wrap. That's quality control at its best. So here's our Walkabout. Comes in a case. The case has got some straps, so you can take it with you to the beach or to the woods or to a picnic. And you know, before I open that, I have a little pouch here on the front. Let's take a look, see what's in here. Okay, I have a bumper sticker. It says my other drum is a Walkabout. And we have a manual. Oh, this is the manual for the electronics. It has an LR Bags pickup system, and it's a dual source system, which means it has a microphone and it has a pickup, and there's an adjustment on it so you can set the difference between them, and that really just helps with the tonality. We'll read that later. And this must be our owner's manual. Oh. This says sound.snare. So that's part of our little snare drum. I have a what's in the box. And right here it talks about the sound.snare. And here are some instructions on the inside, but we don't need no instructions. So let's see what we have. And here's our Walkabout. I know, first thing you think of, it looks like half of an acoustic guitar. But it's not. So let's take it out here. Set this over here. We can take a look. Okay. Very nice. It has the Walkabout logo burnt into the front. And very nice binding. Okay. So we install the snare. The snare, I guess, goes into one of two places. There's a couple of different magnets right here, and we just set that in there, and it goes like this. Now, this is meant to be plugged in. I'm not plugging it in right now, but it has the strap. Oh, you can even hear the snare. Okay, nice. Okay, I need to get playing on this thing. So here it is. This is the Walkabout. I'm going to get back to you soon. I'm going to do a little review on it. I'm going to play it for a little while. I'm going to plug it in, see what it sounds like. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can go to www.walkabout.com. And there's a couple demo videos on there that I watched before ordering mine. So I can't wait to get playing and seeing how this sounds through my sound system. So, hey, take care, and we'll catch you next time.